here we have the sea level, and as we know, Pugaro is like the rest of the city. Pugaro is 1 meter above sea. As shown in this picture, we have an irregular terrain here in Pugaro. So the place where we will be putting the hill, or the tsunami hill, is around from this picture, elevation of at least another 3 meters. Plus the proposed structure, which is 4 meters, we will have a height of probably more than 7 meters from the sea level.
So from the sea level, it's going to be 7 meters kasi ilalagay nyo sa level na mas mataas kaysa sa ground level dyan. Yes, but this is also sand. Buhangin pa rin ito, di ba? So did you consult with the, yung inibita namin sana na hindi nakadating with the, how do you call that, the Geoscience Bureau?
Yes.
So anong sabi niya, what kind of foundation?
Ngayon pupunta sila to contact boring expo.
So are you trying to say that with this plan, wala pa tayong na-contact na boring test?
Actually, yung pagpoka lang, yung inassume ko na natin yung tulad doon sa opisina po namin na ina-adapt na namin po yung soil bearing capacity, which is 1,000 KSM. So yun muna yung ina-adapt namin. Tapos, sabi naman nila is talaga, wala naman po talaga 48 kPa. Walang 48 kPa po. Yung soil bearing capacity po. Pero, ina-adapt na po namin yung pinaka-4 na lupa po.
So what is your basis for the foundation? So you're putting up a 90 meters in diameter foundation, or you're going to have some pile drive?
Wala na po.
Wala pile driving. So ano ang foundation?
Ito po.
Ano yan?
Yung rounded of the base of 3 meters po.
Ang depth? Ang depth?
Opo.
Ang ilalim? Kaano kalalim yung foundation niya?
Parang nag-excavate po tayo ng 0.50.
Half meter?
Opo. Tapos ito po is around 4 meters na po.